Choose a suitable location, flat, firm, free of gravel and with sufficient space for trucks to maneuver. Place the spacer in the center of the weighing area. The stainless steel spacer is designed to set and keep the distance between platforms. It also has a conduit through which the system's cables are routed. Put the positioning frames in place. These stainless steel positioning frames establish the exact position of the weighing platforms and serve as an anchor for the leveling tracks. Unroll one leveling track section and attach it to the correspondent positioning frame. This is an intermediate section, with no access ramps attached. Proceed in the same way with the rest of intermediate leveling track sections. Leveling tracks are an essential part of portable weighing systems, ensuring weighing accuracy, safe operation, and long system life. Now, put the stainless steel track section connectors in place, and continue to install the remaining sections of leveling track, which have the access ramps built in. Finally, install the weighing platforms in their set location, connect the cables to the electronics, and the system is ready.